Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a long-awaited video. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this, and this is my nursery tour of baby Brooklyn's room. Now I know she's not going to be using this room right away, but we just went ahead and we have a lot of stuff ready and going for her. So with all other ado, let's get into this video. So right here, this actually came with her bed set, which as you guys can see is like extremely dysfunctioned and deformed. I'm still trying to get it to, and it's not doing anything. So anyways, that's why I have it right here, because right here is actually her changing table, and then over here I have a pack of newborn wipes or diapers, and then down here I have all of her wipes and stuff, so it would be easy access to her changing table, which is right here. So as you guys can see, this is her changing table, and actually I just got another package from a friend and I got more wipes, so I'm keeping a pack of wipes right here for easy access. And then obviously here's her changing table, her diaper bag that I'm slowly filling up, and then if you guys watched a haul video, then you guys know I picked this up at Target, and it is a milestone block, so I just kept that there. So here is her changing table, and then down here I have two drawers, and in this drawer right here I have all of like my stuff that I'm going to need. Like I have pacifiers, more pacifiers, lotions and stuff that I've gotten from Target, Walmart bags. A friend of soap sent me some soap and lotions, sterilizing kit for pacifiers. I have little backup mittens, brush. I have some Gype water. And pretty much that's all that's in here. And these are like little boogie wipes. Focus. Boogie wipes. And then I have my nursing pads in there as well. And then the second drawer is a little full. So this has like bottle brush cleaners, bottles that I've gotten from free bags, Target bags. More bottles, teething things, more pacifiers for an older age, a teething ring, outlet things, some more bottles, more bottle brush cleaners, a backup passy. And then this is just a little bag to wash her pacifier stuffed animals. And then this is this is for like powdered milk, which I don't know if I'll get any use out of this. I'm not sure, because I am going to breastfeed. So here is her crib. So I just went with the gray crib. If you guys are wondering where I got the crib, I got it at Walmart. And then it just has the changing table, and then she has this cute little thing, and then this is what the inside of her crib looks like. This bumper, if you're wondering where I got it from, Amazon, but it doesn't fit all the way down, so whatever. And your girl's out of breath because we're pregnant as hell. Okay. Alright, and then I just keep these stickers in here that came with her bed set. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with these yet, because I don't know if I want to actually take away from this, because I kind of just like the purple with the wood and then her crib. I don't know if I really want to add the stickers. I think that would look gaudy. So that's why I have the stickers there just right now. And then down here, if you guys watched my haul, baby shower haul, this is everything that I got from my baby shower. I still just have it sitting there. I don't know what to do with it yet. And then here's her bassinet for when she comes home for probably the first 6 months. And then in here, I just have another starter kit of soap and baby rash cream that I got from a coworker. And then I have some more clothes and stuff that I need to wash and go through and get those ready to put away. So that is that. So her bassinet is ready to go. And then over here, this was given to us from my sister-in-law because her baby outgrew that. So I actually have 2 entertainment learning things for her. So hey, you can't go wrong with that. And then I just have a little lion. I thought that was super cute. I picked that up at Ross. And then these are my husband's when he was a kid, so we thought that would be cute to add in here. And then I just did a little welcome home Brooklyn sign for her. And then her stroller just sits in here for right now because I don't really know what to do with her stroller yet. So her stroller just sits in here. And then right here is her clothes because we couldn't really afford to get a dresser right away. And this will be fine for right now because she'll probably outgrow half of these. So that's why I just went with a little basic dresser. And then I just have my boppy and then a blanket. And then all I did to organize it, all of these are newborn clothes that was given to us from a friend of my husband's. His first daughter outgrew all these, so he decided to give us all of his daughter's clothes. So I am set on newborn clothes, and then I have, alright, so these are 0 to 3, and then I think these are, what are these? I think these are 3 months. Yep, 3 to 6 months I have back here. And then I have all of her socks. She has all of her hats. And then these are, I believe these are, let's see, what are these? These are all 3 months. So I have 3 months right here as well. And then down here I have like all her swaddlers, wash rags, burp rags, and then these are just like random thick coats and onesies that I just kept down here. So that is that for her dresser. Alright, and then down here I have a blooming bath for her. I've always wanted one of those for her, so I went ahead and bought that like way in advance. And then if you guys watched my baby shower haul, that is a cover for a car seat. And then over here I just have her bouncer that I'm going to keep her in while I'm in the living room or anything to that nature. And then over here are just diapers and stuff I had no idea where to go with. And the bag that is full of her dad's stuff of when he was a baby. And then I have my diaper genie, which I keep extremely close to my changing station. So yeah, that is my nursery haul. And I forgot to show you guys my extremely fuzzy carpet that we bought her. It's like so comfortable. I could just seriously die in this. So yeah, you guys, this is Brooklyn Rose's nursery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. And as always, you guys know I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself and don't Let nobody tell you otherwise as I die of not being able to breathe. I don't have COVID. My uterus is expanding. Okay, see you guys.